who tries to maintain the right accounting strength in his organization. But the core accounting is dynamic. That is why keeping oneself up to date is essential. The role of accounting has become more challenging for globalization and advanced technology and competition. A group of effective accountant communicates the whole story accurately that carries the financial information. Handling financial information helps you to take relevant and informed decision. To improve the decision-making capability of his business, Benedict tried to enhance the skills of his team as entrepreneurial accountant. Thus he started to search for the top organization in UAE. With his first web search, he found Promise Training and Consultancy, the leading and highly recognized organization in Dubai. He browses https://www.promisetrainingglobal.com/website and finds the relevant information he needs. The trained personnel of Promise Training and Consultancy offers professional accounting training courses in Dubai. Thus Benedict and his entire team learn the ins and outs of the accounting courses that will largely beneficial for his business. If you want to do the same, contact Promise Training and Consultancy and send emails at info@promisetrainingglobal.com to know more.